Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Did you know you can transform canned yams into a surprisingly delicious side dish in just minutes? This simple recipe requires minimal effort, using basic kitchen staples you likely already have. It's the perfect way to enjoy a warm, sweet, and comforting addition to any meal, whether it's a weeknight dinner or a holiday gathering. You'll be amazed at how quickly these come together, bringing a touch of home-cooked goodness to your table with almost no fuss. First, you absolutely must drain and rinse your canned yams thoroughly. This step is crucial for removing the excess canning syrup, which can make your final dish far too sweet if left in. By giving them a good rinse under cool water, you also significantly improve their texture, helping them become less mushy and more firm. It sets the foundation for a perfectly balanced and enjoyable side dish, so do not skip this important initial preparation. Now for the magic, combining melted butter, brown sugar, and a hint of warming spice. For one large can of yams, start with about a quarter cup of butter and half a cup of brown sugar. Adjust to your taste. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg truly enhances their natural sweetness beautifully, adding that classic comforting flavor. Stir this mixture gently with your drained yams, ensuring every piece is evenly coated in the rich, sweet sauce. This simple combination makes all the difference. You have two great options for cooking: stovetop or oven. For a quick dish, gently heat your seasoned yams in a saucepan over medium-low heat until they are warmed through, stirring occasionally. If you prefer a richer flavor and some beautiful caramelization, transfer them to a baking dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Either way, cook them until they are heated through and the sauce has thickened slightly. Serve your warm, delicious yams immediately as a delightful side dish. They pair wonderfully with roasted meats or simply as a comforting treat on their own. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing them with some toasted pecans or even a handful of mini marshmallows melted under the broiler for a minute. This easy recipe truly proves that with a few simple steps, canned ingredients can be transformed into something truly satisfying and impressive. Enjoy every sweet, tender bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.